Get a little bit of a breeze out of this, but this is by no means a wind event. More a rain event, so more we're talking wet weather, the possibility of some flooding. When we look at the summer overall, right, we've had over 25 inches of rain in Tampa. That's close to 7 inches above average for that time period. Some areas even more. So a lot of areas are saturated, waterlogged, rivers up. So flooding is not going to take a whole lot more rain to cause that, so that's why we've got to watch this closely. But the good news is the model trends continue to shift it to the west. Infrared satellite, and here you're looking for the brighter colors, right, to see where the bigger cloud tops are, and you're also looking to see if there's any defined center of circulation, and that is not the case with this system. It is still very disorganized. Center is somewhere right over here, but all the convection is way down here over Cuba. We know the landmass, where there's a lot of mountainous terrain, has done a number of this, as well as some upper level wind shear. So at this point, system still a depression, 35 mile an hour, moving west-northwest at 13. Should it regain some momentum, likely less wind shear, warmer waters, that should allow it to strengthen slightly. Could be a tropical storm sometime overnight Sunday morning, but we're not talking about a big tropical system. Look how far west it is from the Tampa Bay area. So if the center's over here, I mean, could we get some rain along the coast? Certainly a possibility, but we are not talking about a significant impact out of the system. Computer models pretty much all in agreement that this thing will stay far enough west that we're not talking about, obviously, a situation where we would need watches and warnings to be issued, and we're not going to see that. So rain bands starting to move through parts of South Florida, the Keys. They're getting lashed at some of those downpours. Keep in mind, pretty much the entire state at some point this weekend will be under a marginal risk for severe weather. Mainly what that's for is for some of those outer bands that could generate a rotating thunderstorm or a quick spin-up tornado. We're familiar with that, and this will likely be the case. Even though the center is still way off here, those outer bands could be moving on in, and some of those heavier bands could pose a risk for some flooding. We know how that goes, and then the system likely makes landfall sometime Monday near the Panhandle. You look at the winds, tropical storm force, I mean, next to nothing. Yeah, it could get a little bit breezy along the beaches. Probably don't want to be on the water, but we're not talking about a significant wind system. The other storm, there's Grace, was Tropical Depression 7. This thing will take a similar trajectory that Fred did, with a lot of hurdles in its path, a lot of land masses here, and a lot of questions still as to what happens with it. But at this point, will likely remain a decent tropical storm. Possible impacts to Florida late next week. We'll be watching.